Imagine this, you're hiking, loving life, when suddenly, that weird, sucky feeling grabs your feet. Quicksand. You've seen the movies. You know what's next, right? Wrong. Hollywood totally got it wrong, and knowing the truth could save your life. Here's the deal. Quicksand isn't a monster pit waiting to gobble you up. It's just sandy, watery, goopy mess, usually chilling near rivers or marshes. It only turns dangerous if you freak out. First things first, don't panic. Seriously, panicking is the enemy. If you thrash around, you push yourself down deeper. Not because quicksand's hungry, but because you're feeding it movement. So here's what you actually need to do, step by step. If you step in and start sinking, freeze. Just stop. The less you move, the slower you sink. Next, take a deep breath and let yourself settle. Give it a second. The quicksand likes it when you chill. Now start leaning back slowly, like you're about to float on a pool. Don't flop. Just ease into it, spreading your weight. The goal? Become a human raft. When your legs feel stuck, don't yank. Instead, wiggle them side to side or move in slow circles. Think bicycle kicks under the sand. This lets water sneak in and loosens things up. If you can reach a stick, a branch, even your backpack, use it. Lay it across your back or chest as you lean. It helps you float and keeps you stable. And if you're alone, don't waste energy yelling unless you know someone's close. Move slow, keep your gear. Your backpack might just save the day. Now, big myth buster, you won't get swallowed whole. Quicksand isn't bottomless. Usually it'll hold you waist or chest deep, but exhaustion, tides, or wildlife are the real dangers. Want to avoid quicksand in the first place? Watch for muddy patches with no plants, tap the ground with a stick, and take light steps near water. Final advice, quicksand's not the villain. Stay calm, lean back, move slow, don't fight it, float. Survival is mostly about what's happening in your head. Now you know the truth. And hey, that's your real superpower.